Hey, welcome to the channel. This is Bronco Unlimited. This is your first time here. Give a like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Helps other people find the channel. I'm not trying to make money here. I just want to bring Bronco enthusiasts some good videos. 2021 Ford Bronco Black Diamond Edition. I'm going to answer a couple questions I've had on Instagram, and then we're going to go for a quick little ride along. Show you hill descent control and hill start assist. Hang in there, be right back with you. All right, so one of the questions I got was related to the molded rubber all-weather mats. These are nice mats. They're like a rubber flexible material, not like a hard plastic like, say, a WeatherTech. They're molded into a nice tray. It keeps the water within it. Still got the keepers. And it did come with the carpeted mats that had a rubber backing that kind of stuck to the molded vinyl floor. But these molded mats are nice. Nice Bronco on there. They're a little bit dirty and need to be washed, but they're pretty sweet. Another question I got was about the dashboard, fit and finish of the dash. Our dash is nice, smooth, all the way across up where it meets the windshield. I had some comments that theirs were rough, unfinished, that the plastic mold got messed up, and ours is smooth all the way across, no problems. Can't complain at all about that. Nice fit and finish on that. Auxiliary switches. Didn't really see much on these. I know they did a video on Bronco Nation about how to wire them, but they are lit when you turn them on. They do light up. Which I was surprised to see. I didn't know they lit up. That's pretty cool. Did mess with the stereo quite a bit. It's not quite as bad as I first thought. Turned the bass up a little bit, played with it. It's adequate. It's all right. It's not as bad as I thought it was at first, so I'll suck that up. The right side of the gauges here are configurable. I like to keep it on a turbo boost. It's just cool to see that thing activate. But you can scroll through oil temperature, battery voltage. There's your off-road screens. You do this right here by the arrows up and down. Pitch and roll, tire pressure, and you got a gauges with voltage, oil, and the top one is turbo boost also. You can go into the other screen and check out your fuel economy. Right now I'm at 17.4. Been doing a lot of idling and driving it kind of hard. I just put super in it to see the difference between super and regular. Definitely a difference. You can definitely feel the power a little bit more with the super. So if you want to pay the extra 50 or 60 cents a gallon, it's definitely worth it. You can feel it. Otherwise, we'll be just putting regular in it. All right, guys, I'm not going to talk too much. I'm sure you guys don't want to hear me yapping. Like I said in the first segment, you can definitely tell the difference with the premium fuel. So if you don't mind paying that extra money, I would definitely upgrade to that instead of the regular. This 2.3 really moves when you stomp on it. I'm trying to go to a hilly spot so we can try out the hill start assist first. This should be a good spot. Alright, so the hill start assist, clutch is in, take your foot off the brake, Bronco doesn't move. When you tap the gas, is when it takes the automatic brake off. So if you have no clue how to start using the clutch, it definitely helps you, but you still have to know how to do it. You can't rely on that alone, because like I said, as soon as you touch the gas, it takes the brake off. Or when you start to let the clutch up, it also takes the brake off. All right, so now we're going to show the hill descent control. My little videographer would push that middle button there. You see, hill descent control ready. Let your foot off. Right now we're going 8 miles an hour. You can use your set buttons like on your cruise control to lower the speed or raise the speed up. Keeps the RPMs pretty low, doesn't start racing. Nice and steady. Steady on the brake, steady on the RPMs. And when you're done, just push that middle button again on your goat mode selector and it turns it off. Nice little feature. This is pretty much how I drive it all the time. I'm always on it. That's why the gas mileage is so bad. 17.4, I've seen 17.6. But I haven't tried to drive it for fuel economy yet. When I do, I'll let you know what that number is, but right now I'm still busy playing with it. Sorry about the wind, took the top off today. You can really feel that turbo in third. When you hit third gear, that boost really pins up and it really puts you back in the seat. First, it's not too high. I think they try to control the torque so you don't spin the wheels too much. Second, it comes on a little bit more. Third, you really feel it. Fourth, on the highway, if you downshift and stomp on it. Alright guys, I hope you liked this quick little ride along. If you would, please like and subscribe. The more likes I get, the more people can see my videos. All right.